a battle for supremacy. I know the power. Probably biggest breakthrough in this field was on a level like a fiction and people kind of beat. And lyrically, you must be hard. You must have. It's part of the rap culture.
So say Amerado ni Lyrical.
Yeah.
John, what's your money? It's in the 2 months. Why we here?
No longer. We're no longer. Start no. Is he the Kenyans and Obrafo? The crowd you are seeing is there. Young artists who pull in towards times too, because they were pulling the whole Yamiya Wadoma and now we do these people what kind of legacy. Nti sira omun semu nshia.
Abusuya for mama kwa baby oba first to watch TV and na ye Paulino multimedia nene ye bono patupa isan say yenya ntuni kese pa e wo yentem se de ohuno ene ye mi guru nkezi international guru na guru de nyom foforo bi ba anyom na obeka ho asem the title ene de etia ode ni mwe e maye isan say eya ko 1 year guru maye nyom na den na fe guru e maye nyom ode sa ebebreye ansa na no Paulino who was in the Serbia Magua, yes, Shassi, and then come on, you have a pitching. Oh, sure.
And then come on, interview, but also a legend there, original legend. I will feel great. I mean, and go for so expected and your man. And if there are a lot of questions, I'm so you bet you know questions also. And then no person would attack. I'd say bring down. Rap and you intended.
Oh, yeah.
Guru, a couple 1 year. Yen share the who say what we see enyom. E den na ma wo twetwe so ade den na wo ya. Omo ya feel sir.
Unia no cre. Once the adwuma ne de what food does na hwe ni nyina.
Sanete.
E na time ani so no ne nyema bebre wa yenye. Wunyi no wabusua mu tre. E na wunyi no expectations so ne demand. Cause nti akoye say as an artist no and I'm a potential mean limited just being a musician. Yes, and me try attending to a lot of things. And being an artist, you know, even time I remember out as a young artist, me underground artist, now me manage underground artists.
Yeah, underground.
Yeah, now me managing underground artists. I have a whole team. Obia managing this artist. Okay, La Paz Toyota. There was a guy, Eja. I was managing a job.
Oh, okay.
In fact, he was just part of me. Until growing up, no Matthias, yes, I was shame because the demand is too big, and I can't just be there and just be doing music alone. Music is a big business, and a whole world on its own, a whole company, and it needs a bunch of energy to push. And sometimes you man, open cha, also who can bet that down and to keep relevance, you know. So many things. Until me try to make it can I won't say every time me bring in artists under the record label, over 7 artists, and contributing in this young artists to and picking already established artists into the label to we did. So to me, I think say yeah.
Okay. Talking about managing artists, even during time I was underground, surprising though. We didn't do or no one should be such
a there was a time Obi Belms over managing me. Oba almost artist manage and I manage one. The kind of past you that hate you and omu promoting me. Now miss me promoting me on. Charlie focus on you. It's a whole bro, but you promo
within promo.
Yes.
All right. It's a hard deal. Minimum Sana Kimpaluta.
Yeah. Oh God, Paluta.
Singlet. Kusiswa.
Check. Cartoon.
So many.
God does your list to do.
But do you find any regret? Say, some people who put you on And yet, I mean, some of them.
Oh, a bunch of artists are ABA who say I played a huge role. So and it being so also I mean maybe they were part of the record label. The likes of Eno Baroni and you kind of saying there was a time we couldn't finalize the deal with Creamy.
Okay.
Also no Kumasi. And there was a time, couple of artists, bunch of it, and Nero Munina, and it got to the time, even bringing cancer coming out as a musician, no, the whole idea was to, I hear the best here, but you're kind of saying, artists, no, so if you're an artist and you're managing artists, it comes with a whole bunch of challenges, and you're easy. But then we focus on coming as an artist. So, yeah, no, you're fine.
Yeah, try to and before we so.
Questions are more.
Yeah, yeah. To be great, ups and downs, and to be successful, there you can just pick your own steps and just come up and be successful. Even unya benku credit, you are successful. But to be great, a lot of challenges. Yeah, you become successful, you go down, you rise up again, you go down. Into trying doing that. Now, me personally building an empire where you have everything included. You have a whole bunch of artists package, kind of saying show. We do events and stuff, and that having our own TV station, radio. These were all part of the plans, and everything entertainment. Because maybe a disappointed footballer, born my mom. So now I wanted to have my own team, and everything that deals with. Usha, there was a time if Yasha's nigga was even part of the clip, and we have the likes of Baby the Pass, and everything was to project a dream. I beg,
My fast forward the name.
Yeah.
To see on old school.
Yeah.
While gone. Didn't in the mouse school.
School in the own. I said like 15 years ago, right? I would say 15 years. 2005. Now me was level 100. Now me marketing. Zenith University. And level 200, me realizing who said the music energy now was developing too much, whereby as I'm scrumping, I'll be writing raps. So I kind of like no.
Exams now.
Yeah. Yeah. And the good thing is not even failing.
Okay.
Yeah, pass it. But once Udo when you back couldn't find here, when you said then, and answer back with and Catania me, so me imagine say, let me go strictly into music. And music 15 years at least, you contributed to it, though you. So I was like, oh, okay. The way they share the pandemics and we are not being active, Rather, now, why wouldn't I put the energy into going back to school and fulfilling education side, which me my dream. And Nyame Adam and I'm University of Ghana.
Legon.
Yeah. Legon. And funny thing is, me real one and Commonwealth Hall, which is Vanda. We made sharp. And one thing is me hall for the purpose of the kind of saying IT. May call to study IT, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. But later on along the line, me realizing who said, we need time. And when say IT so deals with coding, easy. To me switch here, I may call political science, information studies and stuff, and theater art, which is closer to the career. So the one and bad.
Pauline, no busa, but me busa question way. Me who no social media so videos near their day, vandals ne, just a hallway, near their. To see, I know you're a celebrity. You are not just a student. Because I am mentor. It's who say and Tokwania they are the course. How did you take it?
Well, to me, I think say not being in the school crowd, they had their own differences.
Oh, okay.
And trying to make the change, it takes time.
Okay.
So I try being part of the student and connecting and also supporting the school. Dusha, I quite here vandals no crowd more because not me your artist night at mom.
Oh, okay.
Because currently last week na me here Vandi Hall we came home.
Una organize it. Oh, okay.
artist night, whole week. It's just one day, and I did everything.
Oh.
And now my colleagues need to be by Mr. Is it Mr. Drew ne Yabeg. And it was the whole shutdown. From that, you know, now me be common word for us there, which is almost whole week, you know. Omumami, you kind of saying letter of consent are already in preparation. We were about doing it. We had even Pizza Man on board. We were bringing Asaka boys and stuff. Later on, and Tokwano by, which was Sabbath Hall for almost whole week. And the whole thing is, and you see, me being an artist, no, means me can be far home. But the whole thing is, asem na koye, and you are with them. See, what I can do is say, my whole dream is to support the school. So I will use any medium to communicate, which is to start embarking on radio talk, calming them down, letting them know say there is more to life than fight. So to me, I will use this platform as radio tour is already coming up because my new joints in the urban so I so I will tell them. I think it's so it doesn't speak well of the future we're trying to build as a nation, as Ghanaians, and these are people, ministers. So if they are not in the same terms, of the Benya could do baby, they'll be fighting at the parliament. These are the same people, and it won't help bring unity. So Sabao, what's up? What does that make me feel more than that? Common word for the the pilot
fire.
Yeah, mamu yes, yes, Remo. The party na me ankasa ho na ankasa bese me wura. Yes, who be. Oh, ama suspend the event, which is so sad. And I hope the leaders also consider we have the fun we want to have with our SIPA.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
Obi enjoy talk one. Violence, yeah. On a verbal.
Nkran de na so
no mu. For the no color. Say mu game.
Lyrical.
A battle for supremacy. Yeah, I know the power institutions in even KNUS to grammar must be a count there. Tech for most masters.
Yeah, I say
and I think this I love the fact that we are very united. I think say be papa and that thing whoever was the cause or see it to me fishing it out. Nah, this whole thing because they are not really like that.
It's true.
But vandals, they are not that violent. They are more of like reserve, morale. Morale. Yeah. For heat.
Yeah.
Oh, Papa Crack could be your bishop boxes. Yes, and I think, sir, this is really something they should rather look at the bigger picture because University of Ghana are big. And then I'm more big. Yeah, to move to move for the Munsian.
True. Obi say uncle Lego na uncle ntimi uncle America. It's Lego na born you. But here are you.
Because you be a rush you. Obi a celebrity.
So, but here are the what would give me much here? Oh yeah. You can't hit upon hit out maybe. What's a rapper? Deep rapper. And Che and a lyrical joke and Amerado.
Hey,
beef minute don't yeah.
I feel like Drew so.
Yeah, I think these are two young talented and folks they trying to build a certain career. And you know, you be paying whatever they are doing now, or even crying JSS. And Kasahara they start to battle rap. No, it's wrong. And the impact of this young generation is more of the beef thing. And Ghana, in terms of music, I think they almost wants and they want something new. What will catch their attention? There is nothing like a bad publicity to a celebrity or an artist. The fact that okofa book na so obe lecture na oba live na so moye 2000 na mo hwe na obe maintain that same lane.
True.
That same way so your oba na oro man e kan bra na say oba na likes no 5000
That was
so we
so
go the
sad.
same way. Obe hu say odresses us of mama no
Yeah.
hwe. And obi e pay attention. And I think the energy of beef no emma mo pay us. Now we are discussing them. And, which is a buzz. And when you news, Yankee, you know, my biggest breakthrough in this field was on a level like a fiction and people kind of a beef. And lyrically, you must be hard. You must have, it's part of the rap culture. If you can't stand one and one, forget. Me, me encourage lyrical beef than personal beef.
Okay.
Me there no later on I drive it from just lyrical to personal beef. Yeah, and I stopped doing like
I wish we could go there, but
real lyrical.
you don't want to go there.
Yeah.
But me sure say Amerado ne lyrical.
Yeah.
John Uti Omonyo. Into me to amount. Why ne win here?
Oh, no longer.
We no longer.
Start no.
Why ne win here?
I kind of get you. Boys, no. To me, two ways. Offer from one side that obey mistake.
Okay.
Baako ka potokasa. Baako so kaye die mu kasa. Baako use the metaphors, the idioms, plays with the words. That was different language. Enye mother tongue. The ka chire maye nyina ye ti ase no. We are more comfortable with it.
See, I say more.
You relate. Your tongue.
True.
So basically, people will be going out more with,
You know.
Yeah. If I say a big crowd all can, you relate more to the masses. And can house relate all to the masses. So you cut some ears out. Obi a free USB to my lyrical joke.
True.
Yes, simple.
Yes, it's here. They okay.
Obi
say, oh, to Amerado no.
There be a two sides. There be let's have a show say.
Yeah, that's it.
Or the bema lyrical
But you tune not to be.
or the bema
You see, I don't want to go for
okay. If you have been there, maybe now, sir. Whatever we now, sir. Whatever near me, whatever we now, sir. My penny, penny, and
manti.
yeah, until the man come.
How would you feel it?
Oh, me feel your munina. Omunyina rappers.
It's for a group say a draw. Amerado ne lyrical joke.
Or omunyina yard.
Let's omunyina na hit.
Nina, na me feel mu.
Hit.
Guru say hit dia. Me who say what track to social media so dey be. Yeah. Hit bear. Hit me because we industry mu na. What is hit?
Heat no. Heat never foul honor. On the everything that deals with rap is about heat. The heat is the energy. Once the ultimate team you be a book, a Roma, I say yes. It is that kind of heat, you know. Once I say heat, yes, that kind of heat, you know. And okay. This is an anthem song.
Okay.
Because
that's your new song.
Yes. Okay. Yes. That's the energy I want people to look out for. I'm trying to let them feel say hip hop is not dead, like it's not dead. Hip life in we, and we all love the lyrical ability though. Just say, my sister knew
okay.
The normal guru until
okay.
In terms of flow, different. What you call you have is that guru? Yes, that be the feeling me person me achieve it, and I achieve you. Okay. And yeah, those days na be a different flow. Say ni ebu better be.
Yeah.
And ne. Grana swans sound. Omo so no. Yeah, na say Miss Bra campus we be a celebrity. Obi a grana mo touch my bro for kese. You mean food me? Yeah. Is it who catch you grana mo bro for face? Boy yeah.
Na ko sanyum no.
Yeah.
Why they produce na da be na produce.
Well, this song me mini pa Kindi ne produce beat no. And you kind of saying everything there on the wrap, on the hook, everything. Me and me, and you kind of saying you release, seat
of
September,
September.
next month.
Okay.
It's because of the feeling now.
Okay.
The reason Tiana me release it all this while was because now you need the motivation.
Very true.
And I think me cool school now boy me. I'm out right now school for no. And me some feeling. They make me feel like young. Oh, is that there? And I wanna also give them what they've been giving me. And see this hit song. Are you ready?
Okay, and to hit and go for expect to say.
Two shots be one.
Oh.
I the beef beba.
Me no say me hear raw rap. Go for the personal. And almost find the personal they attack back off cameras.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Attack the free camera.
Yeah.
Like behind the scenes.
When camera not any on,
Yeah.
the kind of energy is too bad. And I've been here for long. But check the statistics.
Yeah.
Everything about won't say you show way
behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes. And it is energy no mempe. And you say Sebi or Kwasia never cause why dear money bad results. Until now, no men could hope you now guru for all.
Guru, okay, say me say in school no, and my feeling young because I'm more appreciate you when you're there. And I'm saying one big act, tiny. Obenya asem, esa say the entity I'm a person me but tiny.
I'm a body.
Oh, a legend, just like tiny. Do you think the legend and now the old artists, you are respected enough by the current artists?
Oh God, I said when I was the Charlie. Well, I think two sides. Mofrano, when you're young, you act as such. Once when you do adolescent age, you are acting different. You feel that you're on top of the world. Now, Papa, you know who the but the lives of Mati, so many complaints from the TikToks, the kind of energy reception, the young artists, the more. I've seen all that, and they are not lying with how the young sees them. And to me, I think that the system now is the problem. Because as a young artist, see, say the TikTok the biography in find you quite a bit so you say
You don't have them.
you don't have it. The data to prove that TikTok outsold the rest of Africa and the world. What's the data? Are we celebrating him when he comes live on TV? Do you give the genesis of his works? So you don't see the work. I say, oh no, who is as a young artist, no, but one hit you feel say he's bigger than
TikTok,
But you bought the profile of Lord Kenyans and
Bravo.
Is he the Kenyans and Bravo? The crowd you are seeing say, oh, young artists who pulling it was times two. Because they were pulling the whole it was crazy. I mean,
media.
I played many Kenya Lord Kenya Bowl show. Obrafo mene na bo mene akatechiemu na akatechiemu full stage ahom. Uni ahom be mo bo. Omoko back to back. I'm a feel better 3 hours name Jona me twen. Me ma fa hit me gina ho me twen full stage. Me say nkoko. Dem konongo. Akatechiemu ye. He omu di me bone e.
Why you stayed now?
Me see show go there. Show be am board o Kumasi Sports Stadium na me ni Lumba. Na Lumba buy na me time as soon as I was a meko. And Papa Kwaku oti Dr. Kwesi oti. I know say Lumba person obo na nka okọ. I say person obo sisi a na okọ. Person obo 30 minutes. Go man worry 30 minutes man more now there. Once a more fans dey go on kra no am there stadium no enyi na ya there. Lumba say okọ 30 minutes. Waka 30 was it about 15 minutes different. Or full stage in 1 hour nem gina ho etwen. 2 hours nem go so
Legendary
or more ye di obi akra or just or
legendary
or more 2000 nyom ye. From 2003 or more ye.
Is
I
it
think
99
that is all.
Wow.
2-3 hours no ogusu bo.
Wow.
You know, my unia.
When you saw
Mistake me be akwa kamtini. Na
Wow.
shepa pano. 2-3 hours he was still pulling the crowd. The same with Akatechi, and I was like, these people, you must honor them. They deserve the flowers from what I like. And as a young artist, whatever you think you're doing or whatever you think you're on top of your game, oh yeah, unya the bars. If God willing, Yamiya Wadoma, and I'll be these people, what kind of legacy. Nti sere omu nsɛm nhyira wohu ɔmo a fani die ma ɔmo up to now me ne obi a ɔyɛ old artist and the legends ɛnyɛ nnwom ma me nyɛ 10 cedi kora from
Okay.
wow.
Okay.
na wɔyɛ privilege kora ma wo
So Benjamin.
yes only bars no kora yɛ privilege ma wo and I've done songs with a lot of them the likes of Akatechi Mwanamishom. I ended up doing a song with them. Obrafo, I've done song with him. Nana Champo, Menina Yenyum, the kind of saying Nana Jemamo, all these guys, and I look up to them. Yes, Bia, Ombeman Bibia deal. But the fact that they can recognize your talent, a blessing. You see, the blessings and answer being on top of the world or reach the level you want to reach. In should be on the key.
Very true.
Bro, once a moment for mouth. The more Becca, oh, Yamin Shao, you way, mammy.
Very true.
And if you disrespect them, that's all, yeah.
How?
Okay. Oh, baby, ko now, nyom na wo born a star, no idea, because if you need him, now or no, now, boy, and now, okay.
Very true.
Forget to do, baby. And see, Yamin Shao, any young artist, be a oba, yen support you. Once they are young, they will go.
And said they all two or more for some more, you know. So be a veteran and I say old artist. Now be a bofra. No person buano financially, lyrically, near the idea. Also being a whole kind, man the buano. Because they said they're tiny as same year. Like a Stonebwoy, you feel say buano.
Tiny at the
That Stonebwoy need you feel say tiny a cabiaman.
Oh.
But now as a tiny no per se, a say okay. Ye nin come on a tear for there who say me the cat. Because a queer son as a queer to say tiny amobra. It's no papaya naka Stonebwoy. Papaya naka Stonebwoy bayano. Ebia a Danny Bonnie. It's no and then my phone so more papa be a bit with your boy. Veteran for no more home. I said, Ben, I'll catch a veteran for us. And I legend.
Well, to me, these are people. Many Stonebwoy there, so me early times friend. We all Kasahari boys, and we all started, and we all here. I think that with Tiny, much respect to him because we look up to somebody like Tiny. Minti minya judge, I will no. Me penny the judge towards it. But one thing I would say is, I think we should grow as an industry. Baby, as seven free buy, you know, or pick it from the scratcher. Ube who say, why did they have seven buy TV and a radio? Who even authorized? Who was the host? Who was the presenter?
Money out.
A same way as Semayeka. And Obi or can't send because they think say they want one person much high. True. Yes, indeed the problem is not Stonebwoy nor Tiny. They are from the host. Yes. The host should have gone through assembly to know who is involved. Is it true, say Tiny the Obika? Now Tiny the Obika, what is Tiny no
side, yeah.
Who tie for the same tie here? Ebetuma to obi a wo true. Meti here sebi. Obetumi apia ba say guru abeji ni sika. Na onti say guru aka say no kre ni sika. Now for publish here. What do you intend to achieve? Person good in Pananimas. Wow. Inti no. I think say the two artists omonye the fault, mami.
Okay.
They are the host, the people who allowed this kind of conversations to be discussed. Wrong.
Okay.
Yes. And the man from the artist side, Stonebwoy was like, "Oh, many new young women
Yeah.
until he will jump in."
Yeah.
And the mistake is, did he dig in to find out say no
Was true or
correct?
not?
And the moment, and Tiny also felt say, the moment you accepted that, obey, that means say, what you have to say me yeah. Oh, so the thing from the scratch and nipa na omo yes
Originator no.
omo anya de. Say be omo feels ube feel say be a o de je o hype o. Now we are discussing it. But the young ones will see emptiness
It's true.
in the people or more paved way na mom. Nti ye better na artist bia na say any young artist bia and disrespecting. Yes, ohun kra obe feel so you must bow down to him because or no make it hit no who ni.
And see, currently, what they're working, what she be the new ones and as hating guys, Mrs. Say, or mama or attitude.
Yeah, that disrespect.
No, me go home away. Me go home away. There, me baby odi agro come nko. And I show now bono.
Abo bi fe.
Abo yeah, me boss 6 shows in a day.
Wow.
Yeah, in one place. Yes, me bought Tamale that same day. Me bought Koftam. That same day me bought Accra. Me also me cut Accra day. Me bought my boat to go Kumasi and Sana me.
Wow.
It's one of the who you know like a time.
Yeah.
And then your memoir not maintain it the way you maintain because to play like 13 hit songs in a year.
Yeah.
But I cry now boy and try to find boy.
Easy.
Now it's a who's will be about 4 hits on here in yes, why are there? It be about 13.
Yeah, very true.
Yes, and you must appreciate some of these people. Tell me who the likes of Lumbas, the Nana Champions, Amachi the day, oh, chairman, give him flowers. No, Giomun Semun Shidani be.
True.
Yes, no fuck when. Hey, I did now.
Guru, you wrap up. President say you didn't come on that channel before say wrap up or no. Your final words about your new song, Heat. H-E-A-T.
But maybe bow down before I record.
Okay.
Question.
Yeah.
Concerning Juju the music industry.
Yeah.
How true is that? Because in China,
oh God, my goodness. Yeah, showbiz, oh. Showbiz, yeah. Now what you cry, if you out to cry, could be some money. If you out to your two, oh my dear, no. Yes, if you are my mere of money. May be sunny, is a movie and Moko away. Yeah, Percept just said, we are saying now.
Okay.
We are saying any day. I was say, oh ma, when you call Juma, oh yeah, no. Obiani ni believe. China need any Buddhist beba. India need any dear beba. Arab need any dear beba. Oh dear any dear one.
Okay.
So who feed this side of the world, Samia. We be no yesterday theater. We be a prayers, but trust me, nyame ni dikan. Nyame amakwan a oboa. Opa, ubetuma ko tu obi oji osinsen wiem.
Enye easy ka.
Unko bia.
True.
Opa ye den, opa ko gina ko tu yasma collection nyina, o the offering. O the koda dumfa.
Emfa.
Ne yankoda 3 days we dumfa.
True.
Nim pese me kan say we are saying obia ni gidie. And no shouldn't be your problem. All the NSA say, Bakuma Panante, not Penyankopon do any kind. Yes. Meme dear no, and do any sad dear Sunta Cracheno. Once you're on top, every eye is on you. And how to protect it, Enyame. Namizi binya accident, make a tiffy, car, Kobe Pono. My boy, don't make them for sure. Make a tea break. Peace room, you be see from.
Wow.
Yes. Ebe see from where that time my bobo 70. I feel we cast na air stand no. Above 4 o'clock go be every kwa uba. Me dey be say me car na ye bono. Enyum na ye bono. Me nyum ma drop ya hit you. Me shegatem
no bibo.
No o twem go chale nyum na me feel you. Buy say what gatem. If you be pono so be chef.
Wow.
Banyaminti.
Oh yeah, anajo ahomachi an ye driving. Nyema obehu okwan so.
Easy.
It to the end of the say speed ram no too fast say I don't go no na man no be here for me ti nyame nkro mu abewu the OT about Sanya Manamika and Okra. A home here.
The
People in here.
They say our final words to hit song. My fancy. What is it about?
Big shouts to all University of Ghana students, Legon. Yes, more more the same class or hall or whatever faculty, and I say I can't say more than terms. I think big shouts to the Department of Political Science and Information Studies and all my lecturers, all the guys who look up to me, and all my fans of more campus, whom you say hi, you say you be hide. My nose mask my video crab yes, and all my fans are more outside school. I will encourage you say own call every school, get yourself education, and I say who beat me empower more and be educated about everything we are do be and I school inquire my own
yeah.
Fie nyansa ato ho
Nti
obi ono ma onko school da so die that means we school now call here no o de we gobe nti heat ni one na me dey ato abonten montie na yemfa ni die ma ni die sefata no na amampanyimfo so omonko so anchichi kuro no mfa nyankopon mu adwen ni nyansa
sanete
omonfa mu man no monhwe mu hu ye eda mu nyina ase mosumfu guru ni
it's in a heat. 6 September, right?
Yeah.
6
September.
Now,
Papto, so start
Guru Ochin Paps, what Ghanaian.
Yeah,
it is also subscribed to a Guru channel, so I Guru NKZ
straight
or YouTube
straight.
Guru channel, a hit. Now, if you are subscribed to Polino Multimedia,
yes.
and as a first to watch,
and a YouTube, so when you are unsubscribing to me YouTube account, subscribe Guru NKZ everywhere. Guru NKZ.
That must be brave. Say munya but say na mutie. So our comments bia chegu ase. And a question bia no next time you share Guru chegu ase. You go busan Polino.
But hit na there on all the platforms.
I feel say you not drop your see how dey be you. Hit. Hey yo.
Bye bye.